Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to check out this awesome fixed blade from Civivi. This is the Timberbark. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Civivi for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a quick look at them side by side vertically so you can compare the thickness of both. Let's take a rough overall measurement here from the tip of the blade to the end of the handle. So we got 6.5 right here, and to the end of the pommel where your lanyard loop is, looks like we got just about 6 3/4 inches overall length. Let's have a quick look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks like it's going to be just about 2/4 thick. Let's run the ruler across the top of the thumb ramp area, and looks like we got just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here, so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. Now here's a pair of chopsticks, and I think it's more in line with the smaller side, so that's a really thin profile. Let's run the ruler across here and see with the scales. Looks like we got just about 3/8 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be carrying around, along with the kydex sheath and the clip. Coming in overall at 5.7 ounces. Now, as we've seen, the knife by itself weighs about 2.8 ounces, and if you're wondering what that's going to feel like, if you got some AA batteries around the house, weighs almost as much as 3 of those. And the total amount with the knife, sheath, and clip will weigh as much as 7 AA batteries. Let's have a closer look at this kydex sheath clip combination. Guys, the retention on this thing is absolutely nuts. Listen to this click in. Right, that's not going anywhere. Tons of attachment points. You got holes all over the place. Slits for straps. On the back, you can clip this onto a backpack or a belt. You can wear it vertically or horizontally if you want to carry it scout style. Drainage hole on the bottom. It's a really solid holster clip combination. They could actually charge for this, but it comes with the knife. Guys, let me show you how this clip works. It's actually really cool. Remember, you can unscrew these and change the orientation, but you're basically just going to squeeze these in. It's going to open it up, and you have this bar here that's basically a belt keeper. You can size this to the thickness of your belt. So when you're ready to put it in, you just kind of put it around your belt like that and snap it into place. And then you just adjust here to tighten it. All right, and you're all set to go. That's how you would carry this vertically. Here's what the knife is going to look like if you want to carry it horizontally or scout style. You're just going to remove the clip by unscrewing the 2 screws on the inside, moving it to the other side, lining it up with the holes, and basically same installation directions. You just put it in, snap it into place, and you're all set to go. Let's have a look up front at the blade, starting off in the thumb ramp area. There's a look at your jimping. Turn that sideways. All right, real positive feel here. You also have jimping in the front here, and this serves as a reference point if you got to jam your hand into something and do some cutting. So you hunters out there, you can use this as a reference point when you get into your animal and you're doing your cutting like that. So that's a really nice feature of this blade. Got a very durable and beautiful black stone wash finish. Drop point blade shape that's really utilitarian, good for all types of things. Really good for slicing with this big belly here. And we pretty much have a full flat grind here. There's no curvature on this blade. It's totally flat. So we're going to have a very strong blade here with all this mass behind the edge. It's going to be really durable. And right down here, we do have a finger choil in case you want to sneak up here and get more control over your knife edge and do more detailed knife work. We got a really nice high carbon Swedish stainless steel being used up front, 14C28N. It's got about 14% chromium, so your corrosion resistance is going to be really good. And with just a kiss of nitrogen, your edge retention is going to be really great. This steel has really good toughness and is very easy to sharpen and maintain. And as we're going to see, takes a nice fine edge. Let me get you guys a close-up of that full tang design running all the way through these beautiful green micarta grips. Micarta is absolutely fantastic in all different types of weather conditions. Texturing, pretty mild. Now I've seen these in an orange and a wood type of grip, but I really like this green micarta. Let's have a closer look at the contouring of this grip here. Again, beautiful beveling here on the micarta handles. We got 2 finger grooves cut in here. So basically 1 up front, 2 and 3. And this last one's kind of hanging off the edge there. That's what having the lanyard there kind of helps you do, is gives you something to grip onto. Now, if you come up here to the finger choil, you can get 4 on there. But normally this is going to be a 3-finger knife. Just want to give you guys a profile look at the texturing on here. And the front torque screw is set down in here, so that's going to be absolutely flat. This one sticks out just a little bit, but the texturing, very comfortable. And guys, I don't know if this is going to show up on camera, but that edge is mirror polished. Look at how it's just glistening under the lights. Let's see how this factory edge cuts coming out of the box. Got some newspaper. Let's do some nice light cuts here. Just nice and slow. Oh, very smooth, guys. Very smooth. No toothiness there. Let's get one more. That's a really nice edge. With this beautiful belly on here, it should absolutely slice through this paracord. Easy. Let's close it up by cutting through some cardboard. It should absolutely smash through this. Oh yeah, it's razor sharp. Having no issues. Can we get one more? Easy stuff. Once again, guys, this has been the timber bark from Civivi. You can use this for EDC. You can definitely use this for hunting. Great micarta grips that are great in any weather condition, and a really functional drop point blade with great steel. If you're looking for a new EDC outdoor knife, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Civivi, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.